Good morning students, Kainath Glorious Public School, class 9th, subject mathematics. I am your maths teacher. My name is Mohammad Raza. I am BGT at KVS Muradabad. My qualification is MSc B.Ed Mathematics from AMU Aligarh Muslim University. This is our first lecture. We are starting chapter 1, number system. What is number system? What is number system? We have to study what is number system. First of all, we recall the previous things. First of all, we know what is natural number. To understand the number system, we should know natural number. What is natural number? Natural means in Hindi we call it Prakritik Sankhya. Prakritik Sankhya. Counting numbers. What is natural number? We define natural number. Counting numbers. Counting means ginti. Counting numbers are called natural number. Right? Understand? Counting means ginti. When we count, we start from 1, not from 0. So mind it, 1 is an natural number is starting from 1. Counting number is 1. Smallest counting number is 1. So the natural number start with 1. The natural number is written by n, so represent natural number by capital N. Capital N means set of natural number. Understand? Set of natural number. We write set of natural number in the braces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash and so on. And this is the braces. This is means curly braces. Curly braces. This means set. Means collection. Right? Now the smallest, if somebody asks then what is the smallest natural number, you should reply smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number is equals to 1. And remark one thing, 0 is not a natural number. Remark, 0 is not a natural number. What is the reason behind it? 0 is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number because we cannot count it. Because it cannot be counted. It can't be counted. 0 नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है क्योंकि हम इसको गिन नहीं सकते. जिसको हम गिन नहीं सकते वो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं होता. राइट? Mind it, 0 is not a natural number. Now we know whole number. Whole number. What is whole number? Whole number means पूर्ण संख्या. पूर्ण संख्या in Hindi. Counting number. Counting numbers including 0 is called whole number. Whole number. We are writing whole number by W. We represent it by W. Capital W in mathematics means set of whole number. Capital W means set of whole number. Whole number starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This W means set of whole number. Set of whole number. And notice one thing, 0 is a whole number, not a natural. Right? So the set of whole number is bigger than natural number. We can say that, and we can make this kind of bag by putting counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can mark is at n. In the same way, we can make another bag by writing with W. So this whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. What is the difference between natural number and the whole number? The difference is 0. Whole number contains 0, but natural number does not contain 0. So 0 is a whole number, not a natural. Now we study what is even number. Even number means some sankhya in Hindi. How we define even number? A number which is divisible by 2. We have to check the criteria of divisibility. We have to check the number by dividing 2. For example, we denote it by E. The smallest even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. If we check this number, if this number is divisible by 2, yes, this number is divisible by 2, this number is also divisible by 2, this number is also divisible by 2. So all are even number. Smallest even number is 2. Smallest even number is equals to 2. Then what is odd number? I will tell you what is odd number. How you define odd number? A number which is not divisible by 2. First odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. If we check this number, if we check the divisibility of this number, 1 is not divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 2 and 7 is not divisible by 2. All the numbers are not divisible by 2. So these numbers are the odd number. So these numbers are odd number. Understand? After that we study prime number. Prime number means अभाज्य संख्या. A number which is divisible by itself. ऐसे नंबर जो खुद से डिवाइड होते हो वो हो जाते हैं हमारे प्राइम नंबर. वी डिनोट इट बाय P, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Mind it, 9 is not a prime because 9 is divisible by 3. So the smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is equals to 2. Smallest prime number is 2 and 2 is also even number. After that we study rational number. परिमेय संख्या. A number which can be written or expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0 and PQ are integers. Z means set of integers. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 9 upon 4. All these numbers are the rational numbers. परिमेय संख्या. Remark, 0 is also a rational number. 0 is also a rational number as it can be written as 0 upon 1, and 1 is not equals to 0. So that's why 0 is a rational number. Now we understand. Now next, irrational. Irrational means अपरिमेय संख्या. Irrational number. अपरिमेय संख्या. A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q and q is not equals to 0. ऐसे नंबर जिनको हम p अपॉन q की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते, तो वो आपके नंबर्स हो जाएंगे आपके इरेशनल. फॉर एग्जांपल √2, √3, √7. These numbers are the irrational numbers. And remember one thing, perfect square number, that is √4 is equals to 2. It is a rational number. All perfect square number are a rational number. Now we study terminating number. Terminating means which end, जो ख़त्म हो जाए. which terminate at finite step. 3 upon 10 we can write 0.3. in the same way 4 upon 10 we can write 0.4. and non-terminating, just opposite of terminating, which never end. For example 10 upon 3, if we divide 10 by 3, then we get 3.3333 and so on. 10 upon 3, we see that this digit 3 is repeating, so we write 3.3 bar. This means bar means repetition. Understand? So we stop here and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.